Hey, it's Miss Beth with Bedtime Stories with Miss Beth. Do you see? I've got flour on my face. I tried to bake a cake. And I failed. Look at my empty cake plate right here. You know why I failed? It's not because I didn't mix it right and I didn't bake it right. It's because I left it on the counter and Leah and Monroe ate my cake. Rats. Well, since I can't eat cake, I want to share a story about a little girl who wants cake too. And this story is I Really Want the Cake by Simon Phillip, and it's published by Orchard Books. I really want some cake. Do you like that scary voice? Right before you go to bed. There's a smell I can't ignore. It's waiting or wafting through the kitchen door. It's time for me to find out more. I think it might be cake. Look at her dancing. I'm not dancing with my dogs. My dogs are bad. It's on the table, sitting there. I cannot help but stop and stare, and now I'm really quite aware. I think I want the cake. The decoration's just so neat. The icing looks like such a treat. It smells so chocolatey and sweet. Her dog likes cake too. I really want that cake! I want it now, and though I'm small, I'm sure that I could eat it all, but Mom has written in a scrawl, you must not eat the cake. I'd be a fool to disobey. To eat the cake is not okay, and maybe if I go away, I might forget the cake. I'm really trying to be strong. To eat it would be very wrong. I've wanted it for so long. I must forget the cake. That thought has made me rather glum, and all I want is one small crumb. My mom says no, but I say yum. I'm going back for cake. It's still there waiting, nicely placed for me to have a little taste. To leave it would be such a waste if only I could lick the cake. Oh my, what a delight. I love how they're licking it. Somehow the lick became a bite. I can't control my appetite. Just one more slice of cake. Look, there's not much left. I know I've not been very wise, and what I've done I can't disguise. I might have to apologize. Oh, silly me, what have I done? I'll have to make another one. I guess it could be kind of fun. I need some eggs. I'll start with 6. It's sure to be a tasty mix. There's nothing that I cannot fix. It's easy making a cake. I'll whisk and beat and stir and shake until my arms begin to ache. Oh no, that wasn't meant to break. It's hard to make a cake. My gosh, the mess, it's everywhere. It's up the walls and in my hair. And when Mom sees this, she'll faint. I swear, it's chaos making cake. But it tastes so good. Hi, Mom. I've come here to confess. I'm sorry I've caused you stress. And yes, I've made a lot of mess, but hey, I've made you a cake. The end. I'm sure Mom will forgive her, but I'm not forgiving Leah and Monroe. I'm gonna get back in there and make my cake. See you later.